Usually you build a house only once in a lifetime. Therefore everything should fit, be coordinated and work. As a builder, there are of course many questions here.
The topic of building a house is very complex.
How do you build a house? How does it work? Which trades are involved in building a house and what does the client have to do? What does he have to prepare?
The sampling of the kitchen should be completed before the start of construction.
We have accompanied the entire construction of a typical solid house in Germany for more than half a year. Screed, electrics, interior fittings, stairs. We were involved in every important step, from the first floor work to the finished house. Everything is still calm on the empty building plot. But in a few days the house construction will start here. And this is what the house should look like. A floor slab, no basement, solid walls, stone on stone, 2 full floors, closed with an elegant tint roof and a canopy over the front door. A modern city villa of the Brale 210 type, with 140 square meter of living space. What looks so simple here in computer graphics takes time in normal life, unfortunately a little longer. Construction time for the city villa, 6 months. And let's go. The earthworks. Every house needs a stable subsurface. The existing soil is removed to a depth of 50 centimeters to make room for the stable filling material, construction sand, on which the base plate will stand. The surveyors mark the dimensions of the base plate. To do this, determine the side edges and mark them with nails. A total of 8 points, which will later be connected with cords. The crossing areas of the cords are the corner points of the base plate. The builders are also on site on the first day of construction. After all, they have been waiting for the moment for a long time. For Irina and Tobias Blotto, the dream of owning a home should come true.
We are looking forward to the house, just that living in the house. You have lived in apartments long enough.
Exactly, you have great neighbors here.
Wonderful cohesion. And simply, your own garden, your own house.
Enjoying the sun.
The two have to be patient a little longer, but it is progressing. The construction sand is coming. This will completely fill the excavation pit again. It is important to compact with the vibrating machine so that the foundation does not give in later. The subsoil is ready and construction can begin. All Brale houses are proprietary developments of the Brale Company. Designed by Mario Brandenburg, the managing director of Brale.
Our city villa Brale 210 is our entry model, 2 full floors, ideal for a family with 2 children, a so-called standard house. But you don't have to build according to the standard, you can also reschedule any house according to your individual wishes. And here at our builders we see how to make an individual design from a Brale 210 house. We have integrated a very spacious bay area with a roof opening, which in turn in the floor plan, in the hallway creates more living space or creates more freedom of movement. This rounds ultimately the overall picture of this house.
The foundation of the house is being built today at the Brale construction site, the floor plate. The strip foundations on which the load-bearing walls rest and the empty pipes for electricity and water pipes have already been installed. It continues with a bubble wrap. Then the formwork comes. The formwork defines the dimensions of the floor slab. The 8 measurement points, the nails, are the default. The formwork is placed exactly to the string. Precise work is extremely important here, so that the edges run exactly straight and the base plate gets the right size. Now the rebars are coming. And so that nothing shifts when pouring concrete, strap everything nice and tight. The concrete can flow. For the approximately 10 by 10 meters large floor slab, a total of 25 cubic meters, approximately 60 tons of concrete are placed in the formwork. It is important to evenly distribute and prevent air pockets. Therefore, poke again and again with the scraper. Done. Now the concrete has to be compacted. The surface vibrator conducts high-frequency vibrations in the concrete. This increases the flowability of the fresh concrete. Air pockets rise to the surface and can leave. This is the way to give the concrete its perfect, dense consistency. Smooth with the peel-off surface. Done. Now the base plate has to harden.